What's up guys? Good afternoon. This is your afternoon video. We're going to be going over some crypto, mainly Jasmy, because I made a video this morning talking about Elliott wave, and I do believe we're in the ABC correction phase right now, being the C right now. Now the question is the floor in? Because we hit as low, guys, I'll just tell you real quick, of about a penny and a half, which was very, very strong support. Then we bounced, and right now we're trading at 1.9, just under 2 cents. So make sure you watch my video from this morning. It's very detailed. I'm here to help you understand the chart so that you can make the best decisions for you and your family. Of course, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's all my own opinion. But I hope you're having a great day, and don't forget to grab your coffee. Here's mine. Now in today's video, I'm gonna break down what I think could potentially be next for Jasmy. If you saw my morning video, I talked about we're in a 5-wave count basically, and we just completed the first one, okay? 2 would be the C for the ABC correction. And now we're on our way to 3. So what's the price gonna be for 3? Well, we're gonna get into that. So make sure you stay tuned till the very end. Now, before we do that, guys, I do wanna invite you to my Patreon down below. We have over 450 members, and we have a private Discord where I make posts and videos every single day. On July 25th, I talked about AMD stock. I ended up buying some, right? I bought at 141, which was pretty high because AMD just recently sold off, as we saw this morning. But what did I say? Reasons why their earnings were great. Well, they didn't come out yet, but they were great. And I said, if it's bad, this will crash down to 121. Now, AMD's earnings weren't bad, but the Black Swan event that happened today made AMD crash. And guess where it went to? 121. So I'm about to play a video for you that I share with Patreon members to teach you about Elliott wave and really how stocks move. So this is when I said I will buy more at this level. And then if this is the floor, I do think we have a lot of upside return. I've topped here. The top was at about 228. And then we had an ABC correction, which you can see right here. We had the A, and then the B is higher, and then the C is lower than the A. So right now we're coming down. My next buy zone, and this is when I'll go very, very heavy into AMD, only if we hold this area. Like, I want daily candle closes above the 618 level, which is about 120, 121. If we can consistently hold this area and we don't start breaking down lower, I'll probably buy in heavier. So you can see in that video, I was talking about a buy level at 121 as long as the 618 level holds, which right now it actually is holding, and we're trading back at 135. So my question to you is, did you buy the dip? I know there were Patreon members that told me they bought the dip, and they thanked me for making a very detailed video like that. Now, if you want access to this, again, the link is down below. It's all up to you. All right, guys, so Elliott wave has actually been working out very nicely for Jasmy. In this morning's video, again, I'll tell you right now, but I would just go watch it if you haven't. Take the time. It's an 8-minute video. I explained the first wave of 5. So number 5 is 1, and then C is number 2. And now this is about to be number 3, okay? So I'm very bullish on Jasmy. Again, this is just my own opinion. You should always do your own research, but just from my technical analysis, learning about the crypto, the use case, using Fibonacci, RSI stochastic, and all of this is what I've come up with. Once we finish the C bottom, and guys, I don't know if the bottom is in. I think the absolute floor would be about 0.01 to 0.012, okay? That would be the floor of the ABC correction. Once we find the bottom, and let's just say we already found the bottom because we're trading at 1.9. We had a nice bounce this morning. Bitcoin is green as of this morning. I mean, it's red over the last week, but this is just how it works with crypto. So once this finishes, this is what I think is next. And you know, Jasmy moves very fast when it wants to. So I think, I don't have the exact timeline, and this is kind of a rough draft, but I do think this could definitely play out before 2025. Now, some of you are going to be surprised because this is not a dollar Jasmy price prediction, okay? If you've been a part of my channel, it's very conservative with the buy areas that I give you, the price targets that I give you. This right here is 8.5 cents. The reason it's 8.5 cents is for a couple different reasons. A lot of different technicals I've looked at. I've done Fibonacci from all these points, from the bottom, from the high, so I already drew it out for you guys. So if you appreciate this, make sure you drop a like. That's all I ask. But the next move up, I believe, once the bottom comes in and once that's confirmed, is going to be right here. We're going to move back up pretty much level with B. Okay, so this will be about 3,334. Then I do think we're gonna see some resistance here, so we're gonna have a slight pullback, which you can see right here. I think the pullback will go to about 2,425. Okay, then I think we're gonna rally up to about 6 cents. I think we're gonna have a massive rally up to 6 cents. We're gonna have a pullback. I think during this there's gonna be pullbacks, but I do think eventually we'll get up here. Then we're gonna have a pullback, and then I think we're gonna and then that pullback actually is around 5 cents. Remember, 5 cents is like the next resistance, but once we break through, it's gonna become support. So that's why that pullback is right there. And then I think we're gonna finish the move off at 8.3 actually, not 8.5 cents. 8.3 I think will be a very important level. There is a lot of resistance at this price. So this is just an idea of what I believe could happen next for Jasmy. Right now, trading just under 2 cents. We get to 8 cents, that's a 4x on investment. We get to 8.5 cents, that's what, like a 5, almost 6x on investment. So you just gotta do what's best for you at the end of the day. But so far, and the good news, guys, even though this sucks, is we have been following Elliott Wave perfectly. So this could definitely play out next. But of course, let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll definitely see you tomorrow on the next video. Have a great night.